Sorkar Meghalaya mynta sngi ka 800 tarik kyllalyngkot 8,800 ha jingialang ki myntri kala raiben leit Plie Paidbah ya Mot Shirynieng Jong Tirot Syiem Dhaka Bangladesh. Haba kren syakilat pathai khubor hadien balawai jingialang myntri bedai peit ya tnat Lariti Bah Paul Lyngdoh ula pyntip bahaka khatnriu tarik Rymphang 8,800 kynhun kaba enlam khmat da symbud myntri rangbah Bah Sngiawbhalang Dhar kynlet Dhaka ban Plie Paidbah ya Mot Shirynieng Jong Tirot Syiem ha kaba myntri tnat Lariti Bah Paul Lyngdoh leit ban synran lang.
We also are happy to announce here that on the 16th of next month, the state government has been talking to the Indian High Commission of Bangladesh, and on the 16th of February next, we will be unveiling a life-size statue of Tirot and also a bust of the renowned warrior of the state at Dhaka. The program will be the delegation will be led by the Deputy Chief Minister, Mr. Sngiawbhalang Dhar, and I will also be accompanying the team, as the program has been at the behest of the Department of Arts and Culture.
I will brief you separately before departure for Dhaka. In fact, we have also included representatives from the media to be part of this entourage. The statue and the bus have been designed by Bah Paul and after a couple of PowerPoint presentations, including the visuals, this was approved by the Department of Arts and Culture, and as indicated, on the 16th, a high-level team led by Deputy Syiem, Mr. Sngiawbhalang Dhar, will be part of the unveiling program, of the unveiling of the statue and the bust at Haba.